Tatty, help me, someone help me, I'm dying.
Huh? What's going on, Misifu?
I have a very rare disease. Very bizarre. You see?
Oh. Calm down, Misifu. You don't have a disease. You're certainly not going to die. You just have the hiccups.
And what are hiccups?
Time for an anatomy lesson, Misifu.
Huh? Oh! You just love to be a teacher.
Look, Misifu, this is what we look like on the inside. Do you see these organs over here? These are the lungs. Thanks to them, we are able to breathe. And this muscle here is called the diaphragm. Its function is to help the lungs with breathing by going up and down. But if we eat too fast, or if we drink carbonated beverages, for example, among other things, sometimes this irritates the diaphragm and it goes down too quickly, so that a lot of air enters at once and the hiccups start.
And so then, this is not dangerous?
Not at all, Misifu. As long as it doesn't go longer than 2 days, you don't need to see a doctor.
2 whole days? Aw, I don't want it to go for this long.
When did your hiccups start, Misifu?
About 5 minutes ago.
So you really don't need to worry about it for now. Let's look for a solution for you. Here you go.
Come on, Daddy. It's not that I'm thirsty. I have the hiccups.
Yes, I know that. But one of the solutions that sometimes works to get rid of the hiccups is to try and drink water from the opposite side of your glass.
Daddy, the hiccups are still there. You see? But now, I'm all cooled off.
Not a problem, Misifu. Let's move on to the next solution. Try holding your breath for 10 seconds.
I don't think that's going to be possible. I'd run out of air. Give me another solution.
I know. Have a bite of this.
Huh? Hey, it looks like it worked. Well, I guess it didn't.
Okay, Misifu, I didn't want to get to this point, but it's our last solution. Misifu, how do you feel now?
I'm really scared.
Yes, but your hiccups?
Oh? Hold on. Tatty, you cured me. I don't have the hiccups anymore. But what a scare you gave me.
Sometimes a good scare is just the solution to cure the hiccups. Don't forget to subscribe. Boy, our class today was really interesting.
Wasn't it?
Yeah.
I really liked it a lot.
Help me!
Don't run away! I just want to help you!
Huh? What is happening?
No idea.
Daddy, let's go! Let's go home! Run!
Come on, Misifu! It's not a big deal at all!
Daddy, let's go already, please!
Okay, little broom, fly into the sky.
I couldn't do it.
See you later, my friends. Well then, Misifu, why were you running away from Ratty?
Well, okay, Daddy. I have a tooth that's really loose. It's almost out already, you see? And Ratty was trying to pull it out.
All right, Misifu, hop. Your tooth is very resistant, don't worry.
Since it hasn't fallen out, what do you think I can do to make it come out now? Because I really want the fairy tooth mouse to come.
Don't you worry, Misifu. Today, Lily is coming over for a snack.
Great.
We will find a way to help you. I promise.
Hello, you two.
Hello, Lily. Misifu with his loose tooth. It looks like it's almost ready to come out, but it's still resisting.
He could do it the same way that Granny
Yes.
does it, with a little string.
Awesome, Lily.
Awesome! I think it's a good idea, girls. But it's not going to hurt, right?
Nuh-uh.
No!
But Misifu, we haven't even started pulling yet.
It's just that I'm really scared.
If you prefer, you can put the string on yourself.
Almost.
Lily, you can close the door.
No, don't close it!
Go ahead and close it.
What should I do? Close it or not close it?
No!
Aha! Misifu, I don't think you understand well. You need to sit still in the chair without moving at all while one of us closes the door. In that way, your tooth will come out.
I understood it very well, Tatty. And that is exactly why I ran away. Because I'm not too sure about this method. I find it scary. Anyway, how can I be sure what will happen?
Wow, what a very stubborn tooth. There's just no way to pull it out. It looks like this method is not working either. To tell you the truth, Misifu, I don't know what to do.
Misifu, open your mouth really wide so I can take out your tooth.
Lily, this is not a good idea. You could hurt Misifu.
I'm so sorry. I just wanted to give him a big scare to see if the tooth would fall out.
It's okay, my friends. I think I would rather my tooth just fall out when it's ready to fall out.
Well, it's up to you, Misifu. It's your tooth, so you decide. And now it's time for us to eat some cake.
Hey, look, my tooth just fell out.
Are you okay, Misifu?
Yes. Now I feel fine again. It was just from seeing the blood on my tooth. Oh no, I think I'm going to faint again.
You should be happy, Misifu. It means tonight the tooth mouse is coming.
Yes, that's right. And he's going to leave you a little gift.
Oh, tonight the tooth mouse is coming. Lily, why are you spending the night with us tonight?
Well, because I also would like the tooth mouse to bring me a gift.
Yes, but you haven't even lost a tooth, Lily.
No, but I made a drawing of one, and it's really good, you see? And on top of that, I built a trap to catch him. You see?
But Lily, didn't you leave him too much food?
No way!
Come on, guys. Let's all go to sleep. I really want him to come.
Oh, do you think you could help me, Tatty?
Yes, of course. I'm curious. What happened to you?
I'm afraid I ate too much and now I can't fit through the door anymore.
Don't worry. I'll help you.
Thank you very much, Tatty. Oh, not a word of this to anyone, okay?
Not a word. I won't say a thing.
Huh? Look, guys, he came by. Yippee! Yippee! Yay! Yippee!
He took my tooth away, but then he didn't bring me anything.
Well, of course, since it wasn't a real tooth.
Oh. Thank you very much for dinner. It was delicious. Misifu, thank you for your tooth. It's so beautiful.
Ha!
Lily, I really liked the paper tooth you drew, but you will have to wait until you actually lose a tooth before I can bring you a
That's
gift.
right.
Tatty, I want to thank you very much as well. Why is that?